Have you ever felt like you're running in circles, watching video after video, getting pumped up, and then doing absolutely nothing? Be honest. When's the last time all that inspiration actually led to action? Here's a hard truth. Your self-improvement binge might be the very thing holding you back. And today I'm going to show you why. Let's get real for a second. Motivational videos are everywhere, and they feel amazing. They promise transformation in 5 minutes, or the secret to success you've been waiting for. But what if I told you that watching them could actually be your biggest roadblock? Sounds crazy, right? But stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll not only explain why, but also give you the tools to escape this cycle and start making real progress in your life. The trap of endless watching. Here's the thing, watching self-improvement videos feels productive. They're designed to. You get this rush of dopamine, this fleeting sense that you're doing something. But in reality, you're not moving an inch closer to your goals. It's a psychological trap, a shiny illusion of progress. Have you ever caught yourself saying, just one more video, only to look up hours later, feeling just as stuck as before? Yeah, me too. And it's not your fault. These videos are crafted to keep you hooked. But recognizing this trap is the first step to breaking free. The illusion of progress. Let's flip the script. Imagine this. You spend hours watching videos about baking the perfect cake. You memorize the recipe, watch reviews of different ovens, and even buy the best tools. But here's the catch, you never bake the cake. Sounds ridiculous, right? But isn't that exactly what happens when we consume knowledge without applying it? The truth is, knowing something and doing something are two completely different things. And the gap between them, that's where your growth lies. Taking real action. It's time to close that gap. Start small, set a single actionable goal. Write it down. Then dedicate just 15 minutes today to making it happen. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be real. Let me tell you about a friend of mine who turned things around. They stopped watching endless fitness tips and started a 15-minute daily workout. That small step, it turned into a life-changing habit. Action creates momentum, and momentum is everything. Finding balance. Look, I'm not saying self-improvement videos are bad. I create self-improvement videos so I know they can be amazing tools if you use them wisely. Set limits on how much you watch, and make a plan to apply what you've learned. For every hour of content, spend 2 hours doing. Find resources that push you toward action, like workshops or accountability groups. Surround yourself with doers, not just dreamers. From knowledge to action. This is your wake-up call. Stop consuming, start creating. Self-improvement isn't about knowing more, it's about doing more. Set your limits, take action, and watch how quickly your life begins to change. If this message resonates with you, give it a like and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Sharing this with someone who needs it helps spread the message and motivates me to create more no-nonsense advice just for you. Now go make it happen. Seriously, stop scrolling, start doing. You've got this.